Okay, so I'm interviewing St. Augustine because I need to ask him some questions. So let's hope he answers.
Hello?
Hi, St. Augustine?
Yes.
How are you today?
I'm pretty there. Tell yourself.
I'm fantastic. I was wondering if I could ask you some questions.
Yeah.
Okay, so is it true that you weren't a Christian in your earlier years of life?
Yes, that is true. I was very keen.
Okay. What converted you to Christianity?
What converted me to Christianity was I had a vision, and a voice told me to take and read.
Okay. You mean the Bible, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Was it hard at first when you became a Christian?
Yes, especially with the life I had that I lived before I was a Christian.
Okay. How did you cope with that?
I went and lived in a mall.
So how did you become bishop?
The people of my local church asked me to be their priest and their bishop.
Where were you a bishop at?
Hippo, Africa.
Okay. How long were you a bishop?
35 years.
And last but not least, what are your two books called?
Confessions and City of God.
Okay. Thanks so much.